Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll be going through the common arcade program queries, which you all have asked repeatedly. Firstly, to give a brief intro about what exactly is arcade program, I'll just take you to a website. This is the website of arcade facilitator, I can say, and here you can basically explore about Arcade Facilitator. Everything is mentioned that what's Arcade Facilitator. It's always on no cost a gaming campaign where technical practitioners of all levels can learn new cloud skills like computing, application development, big data, and AML, and earn digital badges and points to use towards claiming swag points and Google Cloud goodies. So yeah, like by reading this, you can just get a brief idea that it's a 2 month program by Google where you'll be learning cloud at a no cost, means it's free, and you'll be earning digital badges, and you'll also be claiming some swag prizes and goodies. And you can see the timeline that it is going to start from July 22 and it will end at September 22. So yeah, registration opens on July 22, 2024. Let's jump on to question. This is a program for 2 months. So how does guidance happen? So well, this basically how guidance will happen is that as participants will need to enroll under one of the facilitator team, I would say. So those facilitators will basically help you throughout the program. They'll guide you throughout the program. They'll be responsible to share about the updates, all the labs that you need to basically complete, or like whatever you need to do. So if I'll be a facilitator, obviously I'm going to share everything with you, that how you can know about the website, the tutorials, and everything else. So yeah, and next question is that if I want to continue the program after 2 months, do I have to find a new facilitator? So no. Well, because the program is of 2 months only, and you can't continue this facilitative program after 2 months as it will end. You can participate again in this program next year. Okay. Jumping on to next query. So these are regarding the registrations. When will we get the registration form? So as you read on the website earlier, that most probably registrations will open on 22nd of July. So yes, you will get the registration form either on 22 or maybe a day before that. Next question, you'll inform us when registration will open, right? So yes, obviously I will. Okay. Next question is how to register for this program. So these are all the questions repeated that are about the arcade program, how to register, how to join, should we register. So yes, I'll be sharing the form whenever it will be released, and then you can register for this program. Okay. Next questions. These are regarding the swags. So what are the average or max points one usually earns at the end of the program? So this is a variable question, I would say. I can't specify this as of now, but to tell the minimum, I would say minimum points, you have to get at least 10 points to be eligible for swags. And if you want to get more points, then obviously better. The more points, the more swags you can earn. Next question, as I see, there are better swags for greater points. How can we achieve more points? So this is a good question. So to achieve more points, you can basically try to complete more labs, and try to go for those labs which are more beginner friendly, which are less time consuming. So go for easier labs, and yeah, that would definitely help you out. I'll be sharing the list of the labs or the things that are easier to perform, so you can do them early. Okay. Next question, how do I get the swags from Google? So by completing the labs and by earning more points, you can get the swags. Next question, can all people get swags or other staff who completed this program or some sort of people? So everyone can actually get register, but to get them, you should have completed some amount of labs, which is a criteria, or you can say a milestone which you have to reach. So if you reach that, then definitely you will get the swags. But just by participating, you can't get. You have to complete the milestones. Then only you can get those swags. So next question, when will the swags be distributed after completing 2 months of Arcade Facilitator program or after the Arcade program of July to December? Arcade program is different, which will be continuing after this facilitator program, but the swags of this facilitator program will be distributed after the completion of just 2 months. I would say that this facilitator program will continue in August and September. So somewhere around September end, I would say September to October, somewhere around this time, you can expect the mail of swags, I would say. And then again, it will take maybe 2 to 3 months to get shipped to your home. So yes. So I have a lot more questions regarding program content, benefits, and more stuff. But I don't think I'll be able to take all of the questions in this video because it's getting too long. So I'll be making more parts of this video. If you want, you can share your doubts in the community that I have created, or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. And yeah, I hope some of your doubts must have been cleared. So yeah, all the best.